Hello everyone, welcome back to Frame 316 Media. It's been a while since we have recorded our last video, and for everyone who keeps watching our previous videos, we just appreciate you guys, and that's the reason why we're here. And as you notice, there's a bit of a change in our environment, and I'm just gonna give you an update, in the coming weeks, what's happening and what's up for Frame 316 Media. So again, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. We all know that video marketing is one of the most powerful tools to boost your business and engage your audience. And to help you make the most of it, we've put together a fantastic cheat sheet that will take your video marketing game to the next level. So let's dive right in. Before jumping into the cheat sheet, let's quickly discuss why video marketing is crucial for your business. Did you know that over 80% of internet traffic is projected to be video by next year? That's incredible. Video content grabs attention and has a higher chance of being shared and increasing your brand exposure. So the first step to successful video marketing is understanding your target audience. Who are they? What do they like? What problems do they face? Once you have this information, you can tailor your videos to meet their specific needs, leading to higher engagement and conversations. So remember, always put your audience first. Keep that in mind. Now let's discuss setting clear objectives for your video marketing campaign. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales? Having well-defined goals will guide your video creation process and help you measure success accurately. All right. Here comes the fun part, creating engaging video content. Creativity is the key, whether it's tutorials, behind the scenes footage, customer testimonials, or even entertaining skits related to your business. Keep your videos concise, compelling, and on brand to keep your audience hooked. Optimization is essential to ensure your videos reach the right audience. You have to use relevant keywords. You have to use tags, and that would enhance the search engine visibility in your video titles and descriptions. Additionally, you can also share your videos on social media platforms to increase their reach and encourage audience engagement. And don't forget the call to action. Every video should have a clear CTA. It's what we call CTA. That CTA prompts viewers to take the next step. What are they going to do? Whether visiting your website, subscribing to your channel, or purchasing. A strong CTA can significantly impact your video's effectiveness. And once your video marketing campaign is up and running, track its performance. Pay attention to metrics like views, watch time, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This data will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to fine-tune your future videos for even better results. There you have it, our ultimate cheat sheet for making the most of video marketing for your business. Remember, video marketing is a journey of continuous improvement, so keep experimenting and learning from your audience's feedback. If you found this cheat sheet helpful, hit that like button and share it with fellow business owners. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and keep growing your business with the power of video marketing. This is Robert from Frame 316 Media. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you find any value in the video that you have seen, please make sure to subscribe and share this video to your colleagues and your friends who would benefit in the area of storytelling, because everything starts from where you are right now. It only takes creating one better story at a time. See you in the next videos.